Bullish ramp, RAMP, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.288874 and $0.629103 by 2030. Market examiners accept ramp could reach $0.288874 by 2025. Bearish ramp market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.051355. Ramp, RAMP, presentation. Since its send-off in 2020, Ramp has figured out how to stand out as a multi-chain loaning stage that empowers clients to expand their crypto returns. Ramp engages clients to acquire yields on collateralized resources, permitting them to move coins flawlessly across numerous blockchain networks. The Ramp token is given as a component of the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token, opening extra liquidity and serves numerous different capabilities on the protocol as utilized. This framework amplifies capital proficiency as well as permits clients to open liquidity from marked resources and stack numerous yield streams without a moment's delay. Clients who are now a piece of the Ethereum blockchain can mint USD at zero charges by keeping their ERC20 tokens into Ramp's liquidity pool. This framework permits both Rust and USD holders to get, loan or trade their tokens uninhibitedly, and make liquidity for clients. Through symbolic consumes, Ramp holders can get his team back on the coins they hold. Ramp's novel selling point is the manner by which it furnishes clients with the most reduced getting expenses and the absolute most elevated story yields on guarantee resources. Ramp, RAMP, specialized investigation. Ramp's creation was altogether provoked by the soaring development of the marking economy, and as this development raises, the cost of Ramp coin is likewise prone to increment. Like other cryptographic forms of money, there is a restricted most extreme inventory of Ramp tokens, meaning something like 1 billion tokens will at any point be made. The coin can never again be stamped, and any Ramp consumed is for all time eliminated from flow. This makes Ramp DeFi invulnerable to expansion, a solid sign that Ramp's worth will probably keep on rising. A larger part of crypto devotees are likewise putting down their wagers in Entrance's future cost development, referring to high utility, sensible tokenomics, and significant use cases as proof that Ramp is a wise speculation. As the DeFi crypto industry grows much further, specialists have assessed that the cost of Ramp will probably ascend from here on out, and any speculation could bring great returns. Ramp, RAMP, crucial examination. A larger part of DeFi stages are Ethereum-based, leaving out non-Ethereum clients. Ramp DeFi tends to this basic market hole. The Ramp stage is great for fighting this issue and enabling non-Ethereum clients to use the advantages of DeFi. Along these lines, Ramp harbors a special market potential with brilliant possibilities arriving at new highs later on. Ramp permits clients to procure yields by cultivating or marking on their capital, collateralizing their capital, getting Rust stablecoin, and afterward utilizing that coin to make different ventures all simultaneously. This proficient framework permits clients to appreciate significant yields on speculation on their resources and at the same time extricate liquidity. Ramp DeFi offers a plenty of highlights, including yield cultivating open doors, a cross-chain liquidity span, and marking rewards. Basically, Ramp outfits clients with an unmistakable situation to procure tremendous benefit and open liquidity, all while tending to a serious cryptographic money market hole. Ramp, RAMP, current cost. Ramp is right now worth $0.064194. Ramp has moved 1.16% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,766. Ramp is right now positioned 475 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $30,193,521. Ramp, RAMP, value forecast 2022. Ramp, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. RAMP. The Ramp cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.096291. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.089872 and cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Ramp is supposed to have a base worth of $0.077033. RAMP, Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Ramp cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Ramp will before long outperform $0.160485. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Ramp's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Ramp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.128388 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.141227. RAMP, Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.224680 and Ramp might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Ramp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.205421 and a low of $0.192583 in 2024. RAMP, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Ramp effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the Ramp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Ramp will be green in 2025. The Ramp is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.288874, with a base cost of $0.256777 and a typical cost of $0.269616. RAMP, Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Ramp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.333810 by 2026, with a base cost of $0.320971 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Ramp has a greatest value worth of $0.353068. RAMP, Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical